In the photo seen, the Spanish MotoGP rider Marc Marquez and his teammate Dani Pedrosa signed a miniature motor before playing futsal in Jakarta, Saturday, February 13, 2016. This activity is the activity rangakain. Marc Marquez and Dani Pedrosa in the Repsol Honda team launches a series that will compete in the MotoGP 2016 at the Sentul circuit on Sunday, February 14, 2016. Today. The photo is a rare moment, and the event is very, very valuable, especially for diecast collectors. Diecast collectors, especially fans of Honda, or specifically on the figure of Marc Marquez and Dani Pedrosa, definitely own miniature motorbike ridden by two riders in MotoGP track. Marquez with the number 93 while Pedrosa motorcycle number 26.